Welcome to DTV. As per usual, let's go. Senior Night Wrestling is today. I'm a senior and this is wrestling. Say uncle. We're trying to become the most subscribed school news show in the state of Florida. Currently, we're right behind Boca Raton. They have 900 subscribers. We only have 100. Pull out your phone right now and subscribe. Don't have internet? Take a picture and do it at home. Now, let's continue.
Go ahead.
All right. Now that we got our one announcement out of the way, we mess around for a few minutes. Probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Well, let's rewind. Today, we're gonna be entering the 14th annual Soup-a-thon. We're gonna be creating our own soup and be handing it to all the old people in Dunnellon.
Alright, I guess let's go ahead and drop in the beef. No time to waste. Maybe we'll crush it up with if you have a pumice. That sounds like a fruit. It does sound like a fruit. I honestly don't know what that is either. Bro.
Are you sure that's how it works?
It's already for grants. That you can't just put that whole. Well, maybe you can.
Well, that's not gonna work, but it's good for me.
The ratings.
This is like the hot.
This is not good at all.
Ooh.
Maybe we need to stir it up. That's how people do soup.
Yeah, we need to mash it quickly. Punch it.
I can't.
It'll be
Run
granny.
somewhere.
I don't know how much I should add.
That's probably good. Ooh, wow, that looks really bad.
Okay, that's plenty. That's plenty.
Let's just leave it for 25 minutes and see what happens.
Oh my god! You need to stop it somehow.
Bro,
Oh my, it smells kind of good though.
I turned it down. Let's see if we can get this to open. Do you have a can opener? Is this a can opener? Can you open a can with this, you think? ChatGPT.
And now, we open it up.
Bro, it's not even a soup anymore. It's just a bunch of meat.
Oh my god. It's something that would feed you at basic training. Bro, this isn't even cooked, this is gross.
it's not that bad. I guess it stuck in my teeth. It's like a Jolly Rancher. But here, you want to try?
No.
Tomorrow's gonna be the best soup-a-thon ever. These old people are not gonna be ready for it.
I thought my after was bad. Let's see how it looks after 24 hours of marinating. Ew, it's like skin on the top. It smells like Chinese food.
What the hell are you guys doing?
We're making a soup. It's pretty good. I tried it yesterday. It's pretty good. Grant, do you think it's good?
It's great. You would like it. So we call this back in my day broth because it really brings back a lot of memories of.
Give me a lot. Just
A lot? Okay.
no.
Oh, don't give you a lot? Okay, you can go ahead and try it.
It's very good. Salty too.
Do you want some more?
I'm good, thank you.
Hey, do you want to try some DTV soup courtesy of Dunnellon High School?
Well, what's in it?
It's a beef stew. We call it back in my day broth.
Back in my day, we didn't have young men standing around on street corners trying to push soup on unknowing seniors.
Well, he's on the stepper right now. He's powering the crock pot. We're working really hard. We're just giving it away for free if you.
Really? Does that actually work? No way. How many watts does that thing generate?
I've been at this for several hours. It's keeping the crock pot pretty warm.
Oh my goodness, it is.
Would you like to try some?
Sure.
The ingredients are ground beef, pinto beans.
That's more than enough.
Okay.
Gotta say, it's not the most appealing looking concoction I've ever seen.
It'll taste. It's all good ingredients. All right, there you go.
Why is this meatball yellow?
It's just a pre-store-bought meatball.
Oh my god, that's horrible! You young men should be ashamed of yourselves.
We try to do a nice thing for the community, but as per usual, it never works out. And remember, stay classy.